Happy Wednesday, everyone. Today we're going to dive deeper into Crash and understand who Crash is as he grows older. And we're going to see him now in middle school with the chapters for today. So on Monday we read chapters 1, 2, 3. Yesterday we read chapters 4, 5, and 6. And today we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 for today. And these are really good chapters, and I'm really excited for you guys to read them. So again, we're doing a character analysis on the main character, John Crash Coogan. So we're only focusing on him and no one else in the book because we want to dive deeper into the character and fully understand who he is and all his traits that he possesses. Again, I want to iterate this because I've only received 6 slideshows shared with me in the group, and we have 15 students in our group. So I want all the slideshows shared with me, so please do that. Please make a copy of the slideshow that Mr. Carroll emailed you on Monday and share it with me, Miss Miller. If you can't find the email or don't know how to share it, please reach out to me and let me know. If you don't share it with me, I won't be able to see your work for this project. So please share it with me so your work isn't missing. So when you open up the email from Mr. Carroll, you should get a slideshow like this. Crash 2020 Character Analysis Slideshow. You want to click those 3 dots, plus push share and export, and share it with me, Miss Miller. You want to make a copy and then share it with me. Make a copy, share it with me. So here's again the task list for each day. You're going to take attendance, go through the slideshows, and watch a lesson for today on Google Classroom. And then you're going to read the chapters of Crash that are posted on Google Classroom. Fill out the character analysis slide for those chapters. And there's only 1 slide you need to fill out per day. Only 1 slide per day. You need at least 3 examples with your thinking on each slide from that reading. And you do not need to fill all the boxes out on each day, but you do need a total of 3 examples plus your thinking. This is what our slide looks like for today. May 6, chapters 7 through 10. So do read chapters 7 through 10 that are in Google Classroom, and you're going to put 3 examples onto your slides and plus your thinking. Know that Monday slide, Tuesday slide, Wednesday slide, and Thursday slide, those 4 slides are all due on Thursday, May 7th. That's why we have that little yellow piece in the corner that says due Thursday, May 7th. So make sure you have those 4 slides done to have a complete week done. Again, you can find the reading in Google Classroom. Make sure you fill out attendance, watch a lesson in video, and do Crash text or read the Crash text, chapters 7 through 10. I'm going to model what conducting a character analysis looks like. Here's a piece from chapters 7 through 10. I sat up. Dad, can we go to the Phillies game on Saturday? The short silence after my question gave me the answer. It was too dark to see his face, but I knew what it would look like. A kind of sad, winsy expression. There would be one of 3 reasons. And it goes on. So I put that in thoughts and feelings. And I really thought when I was reading that, I could imagine Crash, like knowing what his dad was going to respond. I could infer that Crash has experienced this moment before and feels disappointed by the reactions of his father because he could just feel that short silence give him that answer. And he knew that it was too dark, but he knew what his dad's facial expression looked like. He feels disappointed by the reaction of his father because he has experienced it many times, is what I inferred in that moment. Another example. The night before, we'd had spaghetti and meatballs. I got a meatball, dumped it into a plastic bag, and ran down the street. I dumped it out of the bag and left it there, right in the middle of their front steps. I put that under actions taken. And my thinking when I was reading this was, how rude is this? It seems to me that Crash is angry at Penn's family and feels a need to be mad at them. I wonder if he's taking his anger of not going to the game with his dad out at them because he sees Penn's family driving away. I wonder why he's so mad at them. Like, why does he have to feel like he has to be mean and like a kind of sense of revenge towards them? For my last piece of example and thinking, I picked this section. By now, the whole place was in uproar. Mike and I had started out laughing. We weren't anymore. There was no way I was going to stop. I've never been number 2 in my life. I can't stand to lose. More than that, I just won't. Like one of my t-shirts says, refuse to lose. Problem was, DeLuca is like that too. I put that in words spoken and I picked out, there was no way I was going to stop. I've never been number 2 in my life. I can't stand to lose. More than that, I just won't. And my thinking is that Crash is so competitive. I've seen this many times throughout the book, the reading so far. He is competitive with people he doesn't consider his friends and even his best friends. He's so competitive with his best friend in this moment and does not want to lose. So he's going to do everything he can to not lose. So these are my 3 pieces of examples from chapters 7 through 10. And this is kind of similar what your slide should look like. But you can put 2 in one slide, all 3 in one slide, whatever stands out to you. But this is, you need 3 examples and your thinking in each slide for each day. Please make a copy of the Crash 2020 character analysis slides and share it with me because I want all 15 students and you can do it. Let me know if you have any questions. I am always here. Feel free to WebEx chat me, to video call me, email me, whatever works. I am always here to help you and I want to be able to go through this experience with you, and I can only do that with your slides and to have that discussion with you. So I'd really appreciate if you do that. Let me know if you need any help. Bye.